What's going on, guys? 40 Brothers here for another video. Matt, go on, tell me what we're doing today.
Cosworth video today.
Another Cosworth video.
Yeah, so today we're gonna be working on the Cosworth mechanically.
Tell me what we're doing over here.
There's so much going on over here.
Get the Cos, you got it in service mode.
Yeah, so we're gonna be changing the oil today because it's 5-year-old oil, and then we're gonna try to flush out the coolant and change the plug.
Hey, Matt, Primus, he crying over there.
Oh, he's a good boy. And maybe give it a start. We'll see. I don't know if it'll start or not, but we're gonna go ahead and do all that fun stuff. So
tell me what we're working with over here. Look at that filler cap right here.
Yeah,
that's broke.
Yeah, this filler cap had a crack on it, and it was really tight. We couldn't get it off, so we had to use channel locks. But got it off now, and we got one new one on order. So we're gonna go ahead and change the oil, and we're not actually using the good stuff. We bought Mobile One for this car, but since this is kind of like the first start, and I'm sure the engine's probably gonna have a lot of build-up and stuff in it, we're literally just using the Walmart
cheap, $13
cheap stuff. This is just to get the car
basically
running.
Just to start the car, and then we're gonna flush it out again.
Get the engine running, and then we're gonna change this garbage out and put a Mobile One in. But we don't want to waste that expensive Mobile One on the first the first drive.
Yeah, just for like a 1 day's worth of startup.
Yeah, basically. So we're gonna go ahead and get started here, and I might need your help on this one, Nick.
All right.
All right, you guys are probably wondering why we're not gonna jack the car up, and the real reason is because we don't feel like it. But luckily, this pan still fits under here, so we should have enough room. Here's the drain plug, and I'm gonna try to fit this under here in a way that I'm not gonna splash oil everywhere.
Say, don't get oil over the drive. Matt, coming out of your pay.
Oh yeah, that's coming out of your pay.
Hey, I ain't cleaning it. We ain't got no Valdez action over here.
Oh yeah. Let's see. You think that's good there? You need to shoot out more.
I have no idea. I'm gonna let you do it. That way, if it makes a mess, you clean it.
Oh yeah.
Yep. All right, now Matt's taking off the drain plug underneath. Don't make a mess.
Yeah, come on your face, I do. That's gonna fall right in, I guarantee you.
Oh, you have to grab. You need to go dive for it, huh?
If I have to, I have to. There it goes.
Is the oil coming out?
Don't drop it, don't drop it.
Is the oil coming out?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I got it. It's right here. There's the plug.
You know what's impressive? Didn't you check the oil level the other day, and the oil level was like perfect?
Perfect.
And it's been sitting all those years?
Yeah,
that's a good thing.
Out. You guys can't see, obviously.
Oh, I see it now.
For my eyes only. No, but it looks like it's pretty dark.
What does this take? 5 quarts?
5.2. 5. It's a little over 5 quarts, something like that. Yeah, but I mean, it looks pretty smooth. I was expecting it to be a little bit more on the sludgy side, but it looks pretty good so far.
All right, guys. So while we're waiting for the oil to drain out, we're gonna go ahead and change the spark plugs, and you gotta take this out right here, and go figure the very first bolt we try to take off. This is what it looks like.
It's all stripped.
It's all stripped. The other ones though,
the other ones,
the cherry.
Yeah, they're pretty easy.
Look at that. It looks pretty good. This wires actually don't look that bad.
No, we're gonna buy new ones. They were 120 bucks a set. There's a little. They don't look that bad, I guess. We're gonna buy new wires, but I figured, you know what? Let's get the car running first before we spend 120 on our wires. This is a pretty neat looking paint job in here. Not the best, but I mean, I like the way it looks. So that gold.
Dude, what do you guys think? Should we keep the gold? If we keep the gold, we'll paint the Mercedes-Benz in the 2.3 black. What do you guys think? Because that needs redone. It's
yeah, it's all peeling.
Let us know what you guys think. Put it down in the comments. We kind of like the gold. It looks kind of cool. Matches the gold badges.
Yeah, too bad they have gold wheels.
It actually did though. Let me see. I'll show you guys. So these actually came originally gold. The previous owner said you can see it. Yep, right there. You can see there's the gold right there. All right, let's see if Matt can get these plugs out. We'll go ahead and see what kind we have in here. Yeah, those all those plugs do look. I mean, not the plugs, the wires. They look pretty good. Let's see. What do you think you got in here? Bosch, NGK.
Well, we bought Bosch, so not that it really matters, but.
What do we got? Oh, those are nasty.
Yeah, not the worst I've seen. Let's see what we got. Champion.
That's what you put in Mopars.
I'm pretty sure it's the same one we use in our Cup Cadet.
They put tractor plugs in here.
Well, we're gonna be throwing these Bosch plugs in here.
Let's see what the new ones look like.
Yeah, these are those old style plugs. Has something to do with the resistor. I forget what the technical term for it. Or they have the resistors built in or something. I don't know.
Matt Primo's not having it today.
He is.
Primo, what are you doing, little guy?
Little guy.
You're not having it. Doggo not happy today.
Nope, not happy.
He's not having it.
I bet you there's gonna be people commenting and say, why aren't you putting a little grease on the spark plugs? Why? Do it on your car. Not doing it on ours.
All right, Matt's torquing the first plug. What you torquing to, Matt?
15 pounds.
15 pounds, that spec? Is that spec?
That's what it says right on the container, look.
Let me see.
15. Scan in on it.
I wonder what the Cup Cadet Champion plugs were. They probably weren't even torqued. All right, guys, you know nothing can go smooth when you have a project car. Look at there's the top of the spark plug. And there's the other part down there broken. Nice.
I thought that only happened to Fords.
Huh?
I thought that only happened to
Is this
Fords.
a Triton, Matt?
Must be a Triton.
All right, guys, got the spark plug out.
Those times you use Champion and
Oh, yeah, see what happens? You put the...
Can you see the end of that? It's got a lot of like...
Oh, yeah, that's bad.
Heavy buildup on it. Is it focusing in? I mean, like, look at it. There's a lot of buildup on that.
And Primo's being a bad doggy today.
Man, he's just not having it.
All
right, guys, so unfortunately, we already showed you the broken spark plug, but if you could put the camera down there, Nick, you can see... Let me see, wait a minute, let me focus in on there a little bit. You might be able to see... you can't see nothing. Well, anyways, some pieces of the porcelain on the spark plug broke off, and they're kind of sitting on like the rim of where like the spark plug goes in, and we made like some makeshift thing here so we can get it out.
Had a little intermission though, right?
Yeah, we had a little intermission though. We just got the phone and bought another car, but don't worry about that. I'll tell you later. We're gonna try to use this to suck out all those porcelain pieces. Hopefully it works, because if not, then we're gonna be screwed, because it's gonna go right down inside the head. But I'll tell you what though, the head actually looks pretty nasty in there. I'm a little skeptical on how the health of this engine is, because if you look down in there with the light on, it's pretty bad.
What kind of engine are we trying to put in this if it doesn't work?
C36 engine.
How about a 351 of Windsor?
Huh?
Huh?
How about Cleveland?
How about the V12 engine?
All right, now you're getting a little excited.
So we did the vacuum thing. I didn't get on camera because I was trying to help, but we got it all out. It looks
You
like.
didn't get on camera, Nick. You never do work.
Huh?
You're lazy.
Hey, but I mean, we got the stuff out.
I literally said we don't put anything on these spark plugs like 5 minutes ago, and people were gonna get at us, but this it was so tight getting it out that I'm afraid that might damage a new one. So I'm taking a little bit of this like oily stuff off of the other ones.
Lube her up, man.
And I'm gonna lube her up, and I'm gonna put it in there and hopefully not break this one, because if I do, it's coming out of your pay, Nick.
I don't think so.
Oh yeah, come out of your pay.
All right, I got the spark plugs back in, all good and dandy.
This is a really interesting looking oil filter.
Now Matt's getting that
Look how weird this is. Look,
oil filter
put like
back
a
there.
little like hanger on it. Look.
Did you get in there?
Yeah, look, it's like a little hanger. I should probably grab a towel so I don't drip it everywhere. Let me look. Let me see.
Nasty.
Not bad.
You
Isn't
think?
that kind of cool? Like it's like a little basket.
It's a basket case.
All right, guys. So we changed our mind on putting the new filter on, because we only bought one, forgot to buy two, and since we're gonna be using that cheap crap oil in there,
Just for a couple days.
just for a couple of days to get the car running and, you know, make sure it runs good. Then we're gonna change with the Mobile One. Then we'll put the new filter in. So for now, we're just gonna put this old one back in, because there's no point in putting the new one in and flushing, you know, sludge around.
We're gonna have to put another order in. We already forgot some things. We need to get a serpentine belt. Gotta get new screws here.
Yeah, one string.
Oil caps in the mail.
Yeah.
What else we forget?
Probably check on the pulleys. Sometimes I just need.
Oh, pulleys, yeah.
Snug. Let's do snug.
Snug.
All right, guys, so the oil is done, spark plugs are done. We're gonna work on the coolant now. There is a little, well, it's supposed to be red, but it looks like whenever they repainted the car, they painted this tab to match the body color. Right here on the bottom, it's a drain for the radiator, so I don't know if it's gonna shoot out or what, so stay back a little bit, Nick.
And we're just throwing in this oil pan because we have nothing else.
Oh, it's leaking out already.
Oh, it's ours.
Think like that. Oh, it's on the side. I see how it works.
Let's see, where's it coming out?
I should have capped in then. It's coming out that way. It's coming out kind of slow though.
Conveniently, this thing is missing.
Yeah, this cap here. So I don't even know what it's called. So if someone knows what it's called, let us know, because we're missing it and we need it.
I think I saw it online. I think it was like 275
Just
bucks.
call it a cover. It's it for the front bumper.
I don't know what it's for. There's not really a jack thing, is there?
Oh, well, yeah, right here.
Oh, right there?
Yeah, that's what you tie it around when you're towing it.
Oh.
I gotta do something. That's coming out too slow. I'm about to just take it all the way.
All right, well, Matt finished cleaning up right here. What we did was we drained all the fluid. There wasn't all much coolant in, well, coolant. There wasn't really much in there.
No, really, honestly, I would say like a quart. I mean,
it was like really low. So then we ran the hose, we flushed it to get all the shit out of there.
Yeah, we just ran cold, just regular water with the hose through it until it looked like it was coming out clear. And then I just kind of put a little bit in there, I don't know how full I made it. Good enough. I'd like to get it started, but I don't know what we should do about the gas. What do you think we should do, Nick?
Just try it.
We should try it anyway.
Yeah.
5-year-old gas.
I mean, yeah, we'll give it a shot.
What's the worst that can happen? And I'll start.
Who knows? I guess we'll find out. All right, guys. So we got the Jeep over here with the car. The battery's flat. We're gonna go ahead and see if this thing starts. Oh, I hear.
Noise, that's good.
I hear something.
There's a radio.
Radio's on.
Let me just like I said, turn the seat to the side a little bit.
Probably should have put the seat in, huh?
I imagine you don't need a clutch since there's a there's no clutch in it.
Let it prime. Let's see what happens. I don't know.
Prime,
see, is there any gas in there?
Ready? Go. Oh, locked the thing away, man. Locked up.
Wait, let it prime. I hear some stuff going.
I'll give it a little bit of. I'll just push that clutch in.
Nothing?
No. It's making a noise.
It's doing something.
That's a starter, it's not a juice.
Yeah.
I think the battery's toast.
Battery's toast.
I'm about to go to Walmart right now. All right, guys, so it's been about a half hour since our last clip. I'll definitely use some daylight over here. It's getting dark. I'm about to burn himself. Got that new Everstar battery from Walmart. Damn thing was what, 130 bucks?
Like 128 bucks.
I mean, what was that? Like probably over 200, close to 300?
It was definitely more in Walmart, we know that.
I say we went to Walmart, it's closer and it's cheaper, so.
Oh, jeez, drop it
You ain't doing it right.
Send you a bill.
Send me the bill. Yeah, I paid for the battery.
Wait from the Spark Show.
Oh man, I just want to hear this thing turn over just a little bit. Then we can get all the fluids going. Changed. You got it on?
Lube all over my hands.
Go and get it off. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and try to start the cars again. Back, give me a second. Good. All right, guys, today's the next day. As you can tell from last night's clip, no, the car did not start. And
we found out why, though.
We found out why.
Yeah.
Thanks to a couple people on Instagram that we asked about. If you guys aren't following us on Instagram, you probably should at the 40 Brothers.
Yeah.
We probably said it a couple times in this video already.
Plug.
Shameless plug. But either way, we found out what happened. We did forget. We knew the transmission wasn't in the car. That we forgot that the flywheel that's not in the car, that's needed to start the car.
Yeah, because the starter runs on that, I guess, apparently.
Yeah,
so.
we're a bunch of rookies over here.
Yeah, rookie mistake.
So, and that brings us to the next topic. Well, since we don't have a lift and this car is really low and we're not comfortable with working underneath the car, we're actually going to have on jack stands. We're actually going to have somebody come pick up the car. I think tomorrow.
Well, I don't know when I'm uploading this video.
Yeah,
so.
Either way,
tomorrow. Follow us on Instagram, you'll see.
Follow us on Instagram, you'll find out. But somebody's actually going to pick up the car and actually going to install the transmission for us.
Yeah, and the new clutch kit and the drive shaft.
And then the drive shaft components. That way we don't have to do that. We just did the transmission mount. That's real easy. But other than that, we're going to have to wait and see and get the transmission in. We'll go from there and see if it starts. And
I don't know if it's going to start though.
Yeah, that's good. Well, if it doesn't start, then it's going to be a matter of going through the fuel system. But that's pretty much it for the end of this video. Like us on Instagram, not like us, follow us on Instagram, like this video, share it.
Yeah.
If you want to share it.
Our channel.
There's got to be one person that you want to share this video to. I mean, that's
somebody. You got to share with somebody.
Somebody, but
somebody wants to see it.
And then and show them and maybe show them again. We need to get the ad revenue up over here. This thing's not cheap. But that's the end of this video. We'll see you guys in the next one.